Have you ever got distracted or found it difficult to study, especially before your exams? Well, here are some tips so that you can study with focus and concentration, and that too quickly. Number 1. Chunk it up. Break your study material into smaller chunks. It is easier for your brain to handle bit-sized pieces of information rather than a big chunk of information all at once. Mix it up. Don't study the same thing for hours. Mix subjects and topics so that you can keep your brain engaged. This helps to prevent boredom and makes learning more effective. Teach someone. Pretend you're teaching someone. It could be a friend, a family member, or even an imaginary person. Teaching helps you to reinforce whatever you have learned. Take breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks during your study session. Your brain needs time to process and absorb information. Short breaks help you to stay focused and avoid burnout.